dear friends. Today we will solve some example related to profit and loss that is given in your textbook. So let's start. Here example 6 that is given in your textbook. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. What is the first statement? 200 bulbs bought by the shopkeeper. Price of each bulb is 10 rupees. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had been thrown away. So from 200 bulbs, 5 bulbs are not working properly. So it is thrown away. The remaining were sold at 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss percentage. So here first of all we will find the cost price. Cost price is not given. Here cost price of 1 bulb is given. And he bought 200 bulbs. So cost price 1 bulb is rupees 10. So CP of 200 bulbs, that is 10 multiplied 200, that is 2000 rupees. Okay, means shopkeeper pays 2000 rupees to buy 200 bulbs. But from 200 bulbs, 5 bulbs are fused and are thrown away. So remaining are 195. So 5 bulbs are fused. So remaining bulbs are 200 minus 5, that is 195. Now selling price of 1 bulb is 12 rupees. So selling price of 1 bulb is 12 rupees. So SP of 195 bulbs will be 12 multiply 195. Multiply 195 with 12. So we get 2340. So 2000, that is the cost price, and 2340, that is the selling price of bulb. So he made profit or loss. Selling price is more, it means he made a profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 2340 minus 2340. Now here we need to find the percentage profit. So percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Now write the values in equation. So here profit is 340 divide 2000 multiply 100. 0, 0, 0, 3 0 cancel. So profit is equal to 17%. Means he made a profit of 17%. Now example 7. Meenu bought 2 fans for 1200 each. 2 fans are there. 1200 for each means price of one fan is 1200 and price of second fan is also 1200. She sold one at the loss of 5% and other at the profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each and also find the total profit or loss. So here first fan is sold at the loss of 5% and second fan is sold at the profit of 10%. So we have 2 examples here. First for a loss and first for a profit. So we can write for first CP is 1200 and percentage loss is 5%. For a first fan CP is 1200 and loss is 5%, and we need to find selling price. So here we can write percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Why? Because CP is directly given, so we can write equation. So 5 is equal to P divided CP is 1200 multiply 100. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 12 will be in a multiplication, so P. So that is 60 rupees profit. 60 rupees loss. It is not equation for a profit. You need to write equation for a loss. So loss is equal to 12 rupees. Now on 1200, 60 rupees loss means selling price will be CP minus loss. So it is 1200 1140 rupees. So selling price of first fan is 1140 rupees, then loss is 5 rupees. Now for second fan, CP is 1200, percentage profit is 10%, and you need to find SP. So here profit is there, so we can write percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Profit is 10, CP is 1200, multiply 100, 0, 0 will be cancelled. So profit is equal to 12 will be the multiplication with 10, so it is 120 rupees. So here profit is 120 rupees, so selling price will be CP plus profit, that is 1200 plus 120, so it is 1320 rupees. So this is the selling price for second fan. Now first fan is sold for 1140, second fan is sold for 1320. So here we can find overall cost price. For a two fan, it is 1200 plus 1200. Cost price means the money paid by Minu, so it is 2400. And overall SP will be 1140 plus 1320, so that is 2460. So now she total paid 2400, and after selling each fan she get 2460. So she made profit or loss? She made profit of 60 rupees, so we can write SP is greater than CP, so profit is equal to SP minus CP, so that is 2460 minus 2400, so rupees 60, that is our profit. Now next example, that is of Quantities. A shopkeeper bought 2 TV sets at 10,000 each. He sold one at a profit of 10% and other at a loss of 10%. Find whether he made overall profit or loss. So here this is same example as we solved for a fan. So here 2 TV sets are there. Each price is 10,000. On one he made a profit of 10% and on another he made a loss of 10%. So let's find both examples separately. First profit and then loss. And after that we will find overall CP, overall SP, and then we will decide that it is a profit or loss. So here we will start. CP is 10,000. On first we consider it as a profit 10%. So find SP. So this is first example. So percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100, because cost price is given. So 10 divide 10,000 multiply 100. Now here 100 in a multiplication with 10. So that is 1000 rupees profit. So what is the selling price? That is CP plus profit. 10,000 plus 1,000. So he sold TV for 11,000. Clear? Now next he make a loss of 10%. So we can write CP is equal to 10,000. Percentage loss is equal to 10% and SP is how much? So here percentage loss is equal to loss divided CP into 100. Loss is given 10%. CP is given 10,000. So here 100 is in multiplication. That is 1,000. Means loss is of 1,000 rupees. So selling price will be CP minus profit. 10,000 minus 1,000. So that is 9,000. So first TV is sold for 11,000 and second TV is sold for 9,000. So we can find overall CP. So it is 10,000 plus 10,000. So that is 20,000. And overall SP, that is 11,000 plus 9,000. it is also 20,000. So we consider it as a no profit, no loss, because CP and SP is same. Now next one. Now next example, a retailer buys a cooler for ₹1200 each and overhead expense on it is ₹40. If he sells the cooler for 1550, determine the profit percentage. So here price of cooler is 1200 and charge on it is 40 rupees. So our cost price will be 1200 plus 40, that is 1240. Selling price is given 1550. Now you can see selling price is more than cost price. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is 1550 minus 1240. 0, 1, 301 rupees, that is a profit. Now we can find the percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. So profit is 310, cost price is 1240 multiplied. Now find out the factor for this. So 124. So here factors for 31 is 310 is 31 multiplied 10. 10 is there. 124 is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 30. So 31 cancel. 5. So it is 25% profit. Clear? Now next one. A dealer buys a wristwatch for ₹225 and spends 15 rupees. Wristwatch price is for 225 and spend 15 rupees on that. So cost price will be 225 plus 15. So that is 240 rupees. He sells the same for 300 rupees. Selling price is what? 300 rupees. So now you can see his total cost price is 240. Selling price is 300. So profit is equal to how much profit he got? SP minus CP, that is 300 minus 240. So it is 60 rupees profit on a wristwatch. Now we need to find the percentage profit. Percentage profit is equal to profit divided CP into 100. Now here 60 rupees profit, cost price is 240 multiply 100. 10, 4. So it is 100 divided 4. 10 into 10 is 100 divided 4 is 25%. So here he got 25% profit after selling the wristwatch in 300 rupees. So now next example. A shopkeeper buys a toy for ₹250 and sells it for 285. Find his gain and gain percent. So here cost price, selling price is given. So cost price is 250, selling price is 285. Now selling price is more. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. So it is 285 minus 250. So that is 35. 35 rupees profit. Now we can find the percentage profit by writing the equation multiply. So it is 35 rupees profit divide cost price is 250 multiply 100. So here 0 cancel, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 5 7. So it is 14% profit. Clear? Now next one. By selling a stool for ₹67.50, so selling a stool for 67.50 means 67.50 is what? Selling price. A carpenter loss is 10%. Loss is there 10%. How much percent he gain or loss by selling it at 82.50? So first we need to find the cost price. Why? Because selling price is given. So this is same as we solved for a discount when marked price is not given. Okay, so we consider that loss is, let CP is 100 because profit and loss is considered on CP and percentage is calculated from 100. So we take CP is 100 and loss is 10 rupees. 10% means what? From 100 10 rupees loss. Loss means on 100 we get 10 rupees less. It means selling price will be 100 minus 10, that is 90 rupees. Okay, so now selling price is 90 when CP is 100, but our selling price is what? 67.50. So what is the cost price? So we can get the cost price by cross multiplication. 100 multiplied 67.50 divide 90. So here we divide 67.50, so we will get cost price 75 rupees. If you perform this simplification of this, you will get cost price 75. So if cost price is 75 and selling price is 82.5, so it is a profit. So from first selling price we get the cost price, and now we have a cost price 75, selling price is 82.5, so we now have a profit. If SP is 82.50, so profit is equal to SP minus CP, so that is 82.50 minus 75. So that is 7.50 rupees. Okay, so this is profit in a rupees. Now we get the percentage profit by writing the equation. So here percentage profit we need to find. Profit is 7.5. CP is 75 multiply 100. Now if you solve this, you will get 10%. Clear? So here we start with the selling price 67.50 and find the cost price by writing CP is 100, loss is 10 rupees. So when loss is 10 rupees, selling price is 90. So we can write selling price is 90 when the CP is 100, but our selling price is 67.50. So what is the cost price? So now cross multiplication we get cost price 75 rupees. Okay, now we have cost price 75, selling price 82.50. So that is a profit. So profit is 7.50 and we get the equation to find the percentage profit and we get percentage 10%. Now here some examples are given that you need to solve in homework to find profit or loss.